They're saying lands are rising faster, but modern homes are rising even faster. So welcome to Ngong Matasia, and behind me is our 5 bedrooms. You can see we are on the paint works and we're just waiting for the client to tell us which color palettes they want to use. But right before that, follow me and let's see what is happening. So right here we have our entrance porch. Our tile works have already been done. We have also done our windows right here. Very well done. Grills fabricated by BATIR Construction, and then we have installed our one-way glasses as well as the door. For now we're not able to open this door, but this door leads us into a very big and spacious lounge space in the living room. So follow me and let's see how the entire house looks like. So welcome into our big and spacious massive lounge in our project in Ngong. What we've been able to do is that we have installed our 1-level gypsum ceiling, and what is remaining is to install our downlighters according to the client's choice. We have also installed our window grills and our one-way glasses for this particular house. Our paint works have also been done, and our socket or our wiring spaces have also been identified in preparation to install our lights. Then right here we have an exit door that leads us into the back porch of the house with a very nicely done window. And then right here we have our big and spacious dining space that is also graced by an open kitchen. This open kitchen, we have already done our kitchen tops with precast panels, and the finishes have already been done. We have done the tops with granite. Then on these particular side areas, we have done it with ceramic tiles. And if you have noticed, these different tiles are of different design, and this is according to the client's choice. He chose those kind of tiles. Then what is going to be happening, this is our countertop, and we are going to be setting seats on that side to ensure that someone from the kitchen can have a good conversation with someone in the dining room area, and also to ease in the service of the food. Then we have also done our top cabinets and our bottom cabinets down here with lilac colored boards. As you can see, they are very well done, and what is remaining is installation of the handles. Our bottom cabinets and drawers have also been installed. For instance, like these ones. This is how the drawers look like, and they have been well partitioned to help us in the storage of our cutlery or vijikos na mavisus. The same has been done into this highland or our kitchen highland space. So this space right here, this is where you can use the space in chopping your skumas, your spinach, your nyanyas and vitungus, and you can have a good conversation with the person that you are cooking with. It has very nicely done drawers. Some are partitioned and others are just like that to ease the client in the storage of the kitchen materials. Then on this side, we're going to be digging in to create space for the sink and for the water tap. And then we have a very nicely done window to allow a lot of light to come in, and also to make the kitchen even more beautiful. We've also installed our curtain rods up there, double curtain rods for the net and for the cotton part of the curtains. Then on this particular space, this is where we're going to be setting our refrigerator or our freezer, and that's why we have these socketry areas right here, and on top we have our upper cabinets. Then into the pantry space, we have already done our cabinets right here, and what is remaining is to paint the cabinets according to the client's taste and preference. Then on this particular space, this is our DSQ, just small and sizable, paint works done, and electricals also work in progress. Then this room is ensuite. This is the bathroom space for this particular room. And right before I show you the other room spaces, we have the laundry space, and okay, don't mind how it looks like. This is where we are storing our stuff. So this is a laundry space, and we have also done cabinets whereby we're going to be storing the towels and any other thing that is required in the laundry space. Now into bedroom 1 here. This is our very big and spacious bedroom 1. Colors done, and we have also our wardrobes very well installed. Also, what is remaining here is to paint the wardrobes according to the client's choice, and then installation of the handles that will aid us in opening the wardrobes. And then our drawers are also on point, and bet you're going to see how the entire thing will look like. Then we have our bathroom space here. As you can see, this space is partitioned. This is where we're going to be doing our showering, and then our toilet and wash hand basin will be on this particular space. Then, as you can see also, our doors have been well installed. Then this is our bedroom number 2 here, just small and sizable, with a very big window here that gives us a very nice view of the entire vicinity huko nje. And then our wardrobes have also been installed to aid us in the easy and organization of our shoes and clothes. This room is also ensuite, with this being the bathroom space for this particular room. Tile works done, only a bit of finishes are remaining. Then this is bedroom number 3 right here, which is adjacent to bedroom number 2. Slightly bigger, but very well done. Just one big window, glasses well done, and our window grills very well done. Curtain rods have also been installed, courtesy of BATIR Construction. And then, if you have noticed, this is the bathroom space for this particular room, slightly smaller as compared to the others. Then into the final room, which is our master bedroom. But right before I show you our master bedroom, which is very beautifully done, we have our back porch here, whereby if the family is having guests, even they don't have to use the interior part of the house, but they can use this space to kupiga their sherehes. Yeah, and then right here we have very nicely done doors fabricated by BATIR Constructions. And then this is where we have the entry into our big and expansive master bedroom. I lack words, but it's very beautifully done. Our L-shaped wardrobes have also been installed. This is where we're going to be having our dressing mirror, and we have our drawers very well done. Then on this side, this is where we're going to have our foldable clothes right here and over here. And then on this part, this is where we can set up our long dresses, our office wear. Then we have our duvets and our sheets occupying the upper part, and then you can use this space for some shoes, maybe the special shoes. And not forgetting, on this part we have another shoe rack for this particular room, and then we have the bathroom space for this particular master bathroom. This is where we are going to set the shower, and this bathroom, this master bedroom is for an older person, and this is why we have this particular space for the older person to be using while they're taking a shower. Then we're going to set our toilet here and our wash hand basin. Then we have a common cloakroom right here. Like when we have visitors, they don't have to use all the bathroom spaces that you have seen in the different bedroom spaces, but this will be the space where they are going to be using. And we have a special shoe rack here for the guests if they are planning to spend the night, or even to hold their shoes before they leave the house. So for more updates on these and more other projects that you're working on in different counties, keep on following us at BATIR Constructions. Thank you very much.